Okay, this is day one of the renovation. Hacking mode is done, almost done. Lots of it. Yeah. You see the kitchen wall is hacked. Yeah. Well, probably got to clean the kitchen cabinet again. Yeah. So we keeping the kitchen cabinets and the kitchen hood, induction cook because it's still in good condition. Okay. So yes, we'll be doing a kitchen island after all this. The bathroom floor tiles are hacked away, right? We'll redo the waterproofing. Okay. The rooms are still the same. Yeah, we will remove the room doors because we'll be changing a new laminated doors. Okay, yeah, there's a master bedroom, bathroom, apologies, and yes, the floor are hacked. So for both bathrooms, we will actually overlay the tiles rather than hacking it because it's less dusty, I guess. Yeah, no, just save costs, and it's not necessary to rehack all the wall tiles. Yeah, so the rain shower, this will change upon renovation and upon cleaning, of course. Okay, this office room, yeah, there's still nothing here. Oh yeah, okay, so probably tomorrow they will hack away the master wardrobe. We'll be doing the same one. I think I'm not going further in. Okay, this light will be going because see that it's already spoiled, I guess. Two of this light we might keep or throw away. Let's see. I already got the new lights from Easy Buy, so we shall see. Okay, that's it for day 0. It's a bit dusty and I'm getting the hell out of here now.